stand in front of the Pakistani community. And I guarantee you, and I pledge that I will be always with you.
Thank you.
With respect to this great organization, PASWO, I want to take a moment to thank, honestly, on behalf of the community and on my behalf, a great leader. She's so wonderful. I can see the dynamism, I can see the strength and the dedication in everything that she's doing. I admire, I love what you're doing for your community and also for the women. You know what? Let me give you a secret. Don't say that to no one. I've been in several countries. I've been in Europe, Mexico, Belgium, Paris. And I've created several organizations. When I was in Belgium, I created 2 academies. And by the grace of God and the support of the people, I was very, very successful in what I was doing. In New York City also, I created a non-for-profit organization, yes, Youth for Education and Sport, to help the young people and their parents. Guess what? This is the secret of my success. Number 1, grace of God, the Almighty and Holy God. But also, you know why? My bodyguards, my partners, my team has always got women. Always. I got wonderful women helping me. And this is another way to say that I know the power of women. I know what the women are capable of doing. And you all know, every time there is a man who is successful, there is a woman who is more powerful, that is responsible for the success of the man. So let me say that to all of you, my friends, all of you here, thank you so very much for coming to support me. Thank you so very much. And let me tell you something. You and I, we share the same idea. We have the same philosophy. We came here for the same reason. We came to America to be part of the fabric of America. We came here and we have contributed to the success of America. We came here, we raise children, we create families, we create businesses, we make America stronger. We make New York City stronger. Everyone all over the world, they are talking about New York City, New York City. New York City couldn't be New York City without all of us. You from the Pakistan, me from Haiti, all of us immigrants. We make New York City what New York City is about. And I'm telling you, let me tell you this honestly. I'm so delighted, so pleased to see the way you get together to raise your children, to see the way you beautify Coney Island Avenue, you empower Coney Island Avenue. And I'm telling you, I've been with you, and I will be always with you. And I was talking about a wonderful leader, a wonderful woman. I was talking about, the one that you love, Atiya. Put your hand together for her, please. Put your hand together. Let me tell you something. She's very persistent. Very nice. She's very dedicated. And I know that she's doing that not for her, but for her community. Beautiful. For the women in the community. And let me say this also. I said that to Atiya the last time that I thank you so much also. Thank you. Many of us, we are blessed and fortunate because we can, navigate through the system. But there are many of our sisters and brothers, they are not as fortunate as we are. We have to come together to help them navigate through the system, to help them, make the American experience a great experience for them. That's exactly what Atiya is doing with the wonderful team. Thank you so very much. I said that I want to support you. Thank you very much. And I want to help you. Because let me tell you something, I think that this is a moral obligation. Those of us who are blessed and fortunate to share our blessing with the others. And I think this is a wonderful thing to do. One of the things that I want to mention to you, because I don't want to speak too much, even I spoke too long already. Do you see a traffic light in front of the mosque? I do. Let me tell you, I've been fighting to ask the DOT in the city of New York to put the traffic light for many, many years. Many years. And I even brought the mayor to my district 2 times. And I spoke to the mayor, I brought the commissioner to the mosque 2 times to try to do that. It took a long time. And I want to let you know, I already introduced the legislation to name Konyanan Avenue Little Pakistan. The legislation is there already. And now I'm forcing the speaker and the city council members to vote it. And I guarantee you, I'm going to push and make sure that one day we can come to celebrate right there inside a Little Pakistan. Mathieu, thank you so very much. To all of you, thank you so very much. And let me say that when I will be, inshallah, the Brooklyn Borough President, you will have a brother in the Borough President of Brooklyn. And that will be your office, that will be your place also. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
And God bless you. This is just the beginning. We are going to continue to gather all the time. We are going to work together for the community and for Brooklyn. Thank you very much. Thank you, Auntie.
You will not condemn the France president, how they show their mental illness for our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. How you see the Muslim, they are decided across the world. Say something, condemn him.
Let me tell you something. I've been, as I said, all over the place. He's wrong. We are elected by people to represent the people, to bring people together. You know what? As a matter of fact, the president, elected official, we should respect everybody's faith, religion, and philosophy. We should not attack people. As a matter of fact, we should be as a defender, as an advocate for people. He's wrong. He shouldn't do that. And as a matter of fact, I believe that the Muslim and all of them, they should realize that this is not a good thing. And all of us, we say that this is wrong.
Yeah.
This is wrong. Very, very wrong.
Thank you so much for
Very wrong.
kind words for
All right.
condemn. Thank you so much, Mathieu Eugene. You see, the all community activists are here to support you for your upcoming election for Brooklyn Borough President. Inshallah, he will win. Our prayers, our support will be with you. So, as you are serving from 13 years for our community, and he is the first elected Haitian-born councilman, who joined the first time in a city council. So that was the honor for all immigrant community. If you want to do something, they can achieve their goal also. That depends your effort, that depends your, the way of life, how you're gonna run for anything. So thank you so much. And I think you are supporting me.